Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft Project video. Today we're going to make these cute little double pocket treat holders using some 6x6 scrapbook paper, some ribbon, and a bone folder. So here you can see my paper is 6 inches by 6 inches. It is a double-sided scrapbook paper. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold one piece corner to corner. Get it nice and straight, lined up as straight as you can. Check both sides, and then I am going to burnish that down with my bone folder, making sure I have a nice crease there. Then taking that folded edge and putting it against the left side of your scoreboard, you're going to score at 3/4 of an inch on that longest side there. Then turn it so that that folded side is against the top, and you're going to score at 3 inches on that corner there. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, scoring at 3 inches. And that is all the scoring we're going to do, so you can put your scoreboard away. And now we're going to open it up and we're going to fold on those 2 score lines we made at 3 inches. You're going to fold that over on that score line, burnish it down really well, and then do the other one on the other side. Now you'll notice that there's a little bit of the tip of the side there. We're going to cut that off just on the one that's going to be folded on the inside. So just trim a little of that off, then go ahead and fold the other one over. Then that little tip, I'm just going to fold it around and then tuck it under. It's fine. It doesn't need to be cut, and then it's got a nice clean edge there. So this is what you have. Now there are 3 score lines here. There's a middle one and then one above and one below. We are going to fold on that middle one, lining up the 2 halves here of our, I guess it's a little house shape at this point. And again, make sure everything's flat. Then you're going to fold back on the other 2 score lines. So here you can see this is going to be one of our pockets. And then this one is going to be our other little pocket that will hold a mini Ghirardelli chocolate. Again, you can see I'm folding and burnishing down really well. You can see you should have that little W, and that's what's going to allow this to sit. Now, holding your 2 triangles together, you can punch a hole either with a crocodile or just with a regular hole punch. And this is how we're going to put our ribbon in to tie our bow that's going to hold our treat holder together. Now, I am using, I believe, 1/4 inch. You put it through and wrap it around again to the hole, and that's going to be how long you need for one side. So then take that up and cut that much again. This should give you plenty of ribbon to tie a nice bow. It will need to be kind of off to the side because of the point at the top of the treat holder. Once you've got your bow the size you want it, go ahead and trim up the tails of the end of the ribbon. So like I said, these pockets are the perfect size to hold these mini Ghirardelli chocolates. You can just slide one in either of the pockets, and then the weight of that is also what's going to allow this little treat holder to stand up. And here are a few of the finished ones. You also could punch a little tag shape and stick it in one of your pockets to be able to write a little note to your recipient. Well, I'd love to know what you guys think about this project. Let me know in the comments. And here's some other Christmas DIY videos you can watch next. Take care, and we'll see you soon.